In this video, I'll show you how you can do online data entry typing job and how you can earn a very good and decent income by doing this job. So let's make some money. To get started, open the website online-home-jobs.com. Once you open the website, you will see a page like this. Scroll down a little bit. Log in with your employee ID and password. Once you logged in, you will see a page like this. You will enter my account section. So this is the main page of my account. Now what you have to do, just scroll down a little bit. On the right side you can see online data entry active. Here you can see which plan is activated, that is corporate typist. Now to start the work, click the start now button. Once you click the start now button, you will enter the main online data entry typing job project page. You will see something like this. Here you can see different tabs are there. Instruction is there, demo video is there, start work is there, work summary and earning summary. So instruction, you can read on all the instruction. It is similar to what I am explaining to you right now. To start the work, you have to click the start work. Now I'll show you a live example of how to do online data entry typing job. So to get started, click the start work button. Once you click the start work, you will see a page like this. Now here you can see today's date, how many job work done today, and what is the maximum limit and what is the maximum number of job work you can do in a month. It is 6,000 as per the plan. Now here you can see this is the image text, and all you have to do, you have to just type the text matter inside this box. So I'll just show you how to type everything. I'm not going to type the whole 5 to 4 lines as it will make the video a bit long. So I'll just show you an example by typing 2 or 3 lines. Okay. You have to type exactly what is mentioned here. Don't have to make any type of correction, and just type continuously in the line. Okay, so here I have just typed 3 lines. I'm not going to type all the 4 to 5 lines. Okay, so this is just an example. Once you type all the content, whatever given here, you have to click the submit button. Another thing I forgot to tell you, you don't have to type this part, that is the file number. Okay, you don't have to type this part. You have to type till liquid. Okay, now I'll just click the submit button and show you. So once you click the submit button, you will see a message like job submitted successfully for checking. Within 24 hours checking is normally done. Okay, and once checking is done, you will see its status under work summary. Okay, here you can see work summary for this month, date, today's date, number of submission is equal to 1, approved is equal to 0, and earning is amount per assignment which you will get is $0.3. Total assignment done is 1. The job work is still under pending, that's why you are seeing here 0. Okay, so all these are the stats you can see of under earning summary. Now what happens once the work gets approved? You will see a message like this, job submitted successfully for checking. Now once the checking of the work is done, you will see something like this under work summary. Previously the status was pending, now you can see the status is approved and your earning is $0.3. Now if you check the earning summary box again, you can see status has been changed. Total approved assignment in this month is 1. This month approved earning is $0.3. Overall assignment done as on date is 1. Okay, So friends, it is very simple. You have to just do the job work like this only, and to start the next assignment just click the start work, and again you start the typing work, click the submit button. That's it. So daily there is no target. You can do any number of job work in a day. Job is open 24 hours. There is no restriction. You can work at any time, any place. Okay, so it's a very profitable job, and even if you spend around 1 to 2 hours in a day, it is more than enough to make a very good income in a month. Okay friends, so I hope you like this video, and if you have any suggestion, if you have any question or query, please do comment here. I'll try my level best to answer it as soon as possible. Please do subscribe this channel and click the bell icon also, so that you won't miss any new videos or any new income opportunities which we bring from time to time on this channel. So that's it for now. See you soon with some more new videos. Till then, have a great day. Take care.